Birmingham and Coventry, two cities of England, are identified as most dangerous cities to live around the world. There are approximately 10,000 cities around the world, and Coventry is 41st most dangerous city to live in the world. Birmingham, 44th most dangerous city to live around the world, versus Baghdad, 74th dangerous city. Tehran, Iran, 77th dangerous city. Karachi, Pakistan, 78th dangerous city in the world. Most dangerous cities to live around the world, and two of them are in Britain. These two cities have something in common. Coventry, approximately 30% Muslim population. Birmingham, approximately 30% Muslim population. Muslims brought Islam with them. As they try to practice Islam with all of that crime in it, their prophet is criminal, their God is criminal. Therefore, it is not surprising for us, it shouldn't be surprising for us to see these two cities of Britain is now ranking as dangerous cities to live among. If you are based in these cities, try to keep yourself safe. Try to protect your family. Try to keep them safe. But remember, there is no one who can perfectly keep us safe besides Lord Jesus Christ.